When I was building the flowchart, I mentioned that the user might not know what a pure FAQ bot is, and I said that we will link to a definition of the pure FAQ bot. So what I have is an article on my site which I can use as a link to answer this question. So I just copied that link. So I went over into my BotFlow app and I'm going to create the hyperlink custom payload. So I'm going to use the icon type as the standard. Maybe I'll just change it. I'll just change it to link, and the color could just be whatever it is right now. The anchor text is going to be what is a pure FAQ bot. That's what you see on the link, and then this is going to be the actual hyperlink. So you notice that as I tab out of these text boxes, it is filling out the custom payload automatically, and you can also click on the preview and notice that that's sort of what you really wanted, right? Then we copy this JSON to the clipboard, and I'm going back into Dialogflow. I'm pasting that custom payload, but remember that we are still not done because we also need to add the custom payload for the buttons, and we already have it in this page. So let's just copy it again and paste it over here and go ahead and save it. So we are now done with the third intent from the flowchart, right? So 1, 2, and 3. And then what we can do, just to be sure that we are on the right track, let's go into the integrations and let's just click on this to make sure that we are on the right track. So let's click on try it now, and I'm going to say, see, notice that because this is on the welcome intent, it's popping this information up without me having to actually do anything. So if I were to say yes, see, it says use Dialogflow CX. Now let's try and do it one more time. Right now, open. This time I'm going to say no, and notice that it's going to come back with, are you building a pure FAQ bot? And then it's asking, or there's a link to, if the user is not sure what is it. And if you click on it, you see that it actually goes to the expected page on the site. And then you also have these options, yes and no. Now, if I click on this, it's not going to do anything because you don't have it handled yet in the bot. In fact, if you click on it, you will find that it's gone to the fallback intent, the default fallback intent, which is fine, which is exactly what we have done till now, and that's not a problem. So let's go ahead and fix that by filling out the remaining intent. So I'm not going to actually go through the every intent after this, because you can see that at this point it's basically following the same pattern. What I will do is I'll just add a little bit more context for this explanation of slot filling, because I'm going to show an information response card for that. But otherwise, I'm going to expect that you will be able to take whatever we have from this point on and then fill out the remaining intents in your Dialogflow agent.